galing Cavite, dumaan ng Nueva Ecija, nag-Natividad Pangasinan, maliko Bayumbong Nueva Vizcaya, umakyat ng highest highway ng Tinok, bumaba ng Basangpas, natulog sa Tagudin, Ilocos Sur, na masyal ng libre sa La Union, day 6 sa paglilipat ng Luzon.
You have been warned. Ano yan, Sir Cobra? King Cobra?
I've been through the problem in one time. La Union, and this is Pangasinan. This is my classroom today. Pangasinan.
Saan naman kaya tayo mapapadpad dito?
Welcome to Bulinaw, Pangasinan. Another 5 billion stars tent accommodation for tonight.
And then we can stargazing. Yeah!
Last episode, naki-freshen up tayo sa isang karinderya sa La Union.
Kids, I'm washing my face because I'm so late. Did we brush or not? We could brush. We're so ready. Kids, this is the part of the tree trunk. The outer bark, the inner bark, and the hardwood.
Ng gasolina from Nueva Vizcaya. Ngayon naka 3 bars na lang naiwan. Hanggang dito sa La Union. So, nakaakyat na yan ng highest point. Naglibot na yan ng Cervantes. Ang dami na napuntahan. Sulit na sulit si Espresso. So, ngayon, meron kaming 10 liters na extra dito. I-transfer na lang namin to. Yung ating extra ito, galing pa yan ng Bangbang. Vizcaya. Doon tayo last nag-gasolina. Sulit na sulit. Yung dinagdag niya, 3 kanina. 4 na bars. Kanina 77 kilometers. Ngayon 213 kilometers na pala siya, oh.
Before tayo maikat ng Pangasinan, huling hirit sa La Union, isang pangarap na puntahan.
Hello po. Good morning po.
Palingayin po.
Hindi. Hindi. Lighthouse.
Lighthouse?
Saan po? Opo. Hindi. Sa Lingayen.
Ang aming tatay na disorient na sa dami naming itinerary.
May dream resort na puntahan. Wow.
Punta tayo rito.
Wala pa tayo. Dati pupunta tayo dyan.
Dati nagpunta na tayo dyan.
Oo. Ay, oo nga. Close, no? Ayan. Dito tayo lolo. Wow.
What is it?
Yan ang Thunderbird. Pag nag-stay ka doon sa Thunderbird, malapit lang yan doon ang Puro Point. Kaya Puro Point Thunderbird.
That's why you love. That's why you love blue and white.
Deep in Air Force. Wow. Ayan ang lighthouse. Woohoo! May cliff pa doon sa gilid dito eh.
Oh, everybody go here for the lighthouse lang.
You know. Wow, you know. Wow.
What's that?
Hindi siya golf lang. Para siyang, ewan ko ano yun, mamaya malalaman natin yan. Tayo na?
Tayo. Yung apart na yun.
Welcome to the 4-point lighthouse.
You have been warned. Ano yan, Sir Cobra? King Cobra? Kasi matagal na hindi siya natirahan. Sir, ano po yan dati? Yan. Yung bahay na yan.
Bahay ng lighthouse keeper.
Lighthouse keeper. Tapos ngayon hindi wala nang ano.
May titira na po yun.
So sir, functional ang lighthouse. Hindi na siya nag-ano. Okay sir, thank you. Sir, ano po yan dyan? Doon?
Yung bilog po.
Oo.
Observer radar po ng airport.
Thank you. Ingat po kayo. Kalikasan, may snake talaga. You have been warned. Nakakatakot. Ito na tayo.
Mahabot.
Oo.
Dati kasi, ang damo yan. Nilinis na ngayon.
Tatay, nakakatakot. Beware of snakes. Nakalagay doon. Ang dami doon snakes dyan. Kubra talaga.
Kids, this is my classroom today. This is the 4-point lighthouse. First lit in 1885. So around the lighthouse, this is not functional now. Let's go. So this is the lighthouse, and this is the real lighthouse. It's not allowed to go inside, so you can just tangle the web. 126 feet in height.
Isa to sa 10 oldest lighthouse na Spanish built in the Philippines. Pangarap ko to. Thank you, Lord. Repeat of the recent incident, this area is closed to the public for safety purposes. Kasi may mga snakes dyan, kaya kailangan saglit lang tayo. Ayun na, let's go to Shakan. Kali, position. Ready, steady, set, and smile. 1, 2, 3. Bye-bye, lighthouse!
Let's go to the beach and we're leaving really because look at them. Nana is really scared because there's plenty of snakes. There's a guard going inside if the snake is still there. Let's go, kids!
Next station, 2 hours and 12 minutes away. Let's go to Pangasinan. 11 o'clock, 21 minutes. You are
eliminated!
Grabe, sobrang init!
Do you ever feel you don't get out what you're putting in?
You are warned! You're warned because of the snakes! And if you go inside there, you're eliminated.
May nakita pala silang king cobra dun. O bawal mag-galaw-galaw doon. Doon lang sa may lighthouse lang, may coast guard dun. Tapos meron siyang isa pang cliffside na pwedeng puntahan. Hindi na pwedeng puntahan ngayon, temporarily closed kasi may nahulog sa cliff. That is why. Hello Thunderbird, at least nakita na kita. Dito tayo ngayon sa tulo-tulo.
In the nose.
The nose, oo. So punta tayo dito sa nose naman.
I really want to go to this tiny little island.
Yun yung monument ng Arang soldiers. Yan dyan sila nililibing. Bawang na. Dito yung mga grape farm. Bawang, beach capital and fruit basket of the north. Grape picking adventure. Dito sa ayaw na ni Kali mag-grape. Ano ang gusto ni Kali? Beach na daw. So let's go to Lingayen, Pangasinan. Pupunta tayo sa La Alaminos. Pupunta tayo sa Bolinao. Doon tayo matutog sa Bolinao tonight.
Are you going to sleep?
Yes, in the beach. Again. It's a white beach na. Ito lang. 1 hour 49 minutes.
Kids, I learned about the jellyfish and the pelican. The dangerous of the world and of all the jellyfish in the ocean. It's called the boxer jellyfish. You know why it's called the really scary and it's like it's fighting scary? Because it's clear red. And then when it's see human, it will be really clear. And then when it touch you for 5 seconds, you will die because you cannot breathe if it touch you. Here in La Union, there's a box jellyfish. You have to be careful when surfing and swimming. I've been stung by the jellyfish. It's right over here, and my first feeling is like a caterpillar hold me, and then I do like that. After that, for 1 minute, it will be hot, and for another 1 minute, it's going to pump. Hot, painful, and pumping. When you spray the vinegar in the hand, it will not be ouchy. Just be calm, but don't put a bandage on it. The vinegar will just keep being wet. It has to be not wet. But when it's about to heal, don't come with it back. You scratch it, it's going to be even more worse. It's really big, like this. A half of your pinky is like that big. It's going to spread in your hand. But don't put soap. It's going to spread even worse. But the itchy part is when it's about to heal. When it's very hot and the water is still, they have a meeting to sting.
They have a meeting?
Yeah, they have a meeting to sting us. And when there's a wave, they're awake. They're afraid to not sting us. That's the lucky part. But I'm really but I really
There's no wave naman.
no, there's no waves naman, so I'm not lucky. I have a sting.
Aringaw. Aringaw tayo in proper.
You made jellyfish.
So pagkas na tayo. Uy. Ito yung daan ng Aringaw. Sentinel Tunnel. Ito sa side dito. Tapos pagkas tayo ulit para may reserve tayo.
Pati sa likod.
1,705. Full tank na to. And additional 10 liters tayo, no? 73.54, 1705, 23.18 liters. So 1 hour, 26 minutes, 12:11. Let's go to Pangasinan.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you.
Pangasinan!
I've been to two problems in one time. This is La Union, and this side is Pangasinan.
La Union side, the other side is Pangasinan. Two provinces in one time.
Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you.
7 minutes. Welcome to Lingayen, the capital of Pangasinan. Pansin namin yun sa La Union, mainit na. Dito sa Pangasinan, mainit
Tabing-dagat kasi.
din. Oo, ramdam mo yung init.
Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you.
Provincial capital! Maybe like go there. Picture lang si Gypsy and you. Touchdown! Pangasinan! Oh, ito yung provincial capital ng Pangasinan. Ito yung Veterans Park. Kasi galing pa kami sa Maliko, Pangasinan. Para dun sa may deliver the passage sa Basampas. So sabi doon, before siya umakyat doon si MacArthur, yung Americans, dito mo siya dumaan. Tama po ba? Yung Gain Golf.
Basta ito ma'am, oh, ito yung kanyang landing.
At kasi ito yung landing ni MacArthur. So ito yung Veterans Park. So ano lang, unfortunately ginagawa siya. Tapos yung Babe Walk doon po. Sorry.
Oh ma'am, biyok yan ma'am.
Doon lang.
Yung mga tao doon.
Oh, so ito lang yung ibang, walang museum doon din.
Ay, kung ma'am, sa bayan ma'am ng Lingayen, yung museum ma'am. Banaan ma'am ang panila ma'am, nakalagay yan.
Banaan Museum.
Yes ma'am.
Okay na yan. Basta nakita ko na yan si, nakonect ko na siya. Okay, thank you so much. Bye po. Pala siya, yan. Yung Veterans Park na ginagawa. Ayan. Yan, yun nga, may tanker. Sayang naman dito bumabas ko.
In 200 meters, turn left.
Okay, so hindi na kami bumaba doon kasi ginagawa yun. Yun yung Veterans Park.
Veterans Memorial Park. It's a park in Lingayen, Pangasinan that served as a tribute to members of the military that fought in World War II. The park is a historical landmark and it has witnessed the ravage of World War II. And it is where General MacArthur, together with his forces, landed at the rear end of the war for the freedom of Luzon.
On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do.
At Alaminos.
Alaminos! Yay! Welcome to Alaminos! Finally! 3:27, 20 minutes to go. Mag-ano na tayo? 100 Islands!
Hey, play songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole
Yes.
100 Islands! Tara na sa 100 Islands!
100 Islands.
11 minutes more to go!
11 minutes more to go!
rodeo house. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush.
Ito yung Lucap Park, 100 Islands.
Alaminos, Pangasinan!
Ito yung sasakay papuntang 100 Islands. So 6 AM nag-start na sila. 4:30 ang cut-off.
I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you.
Kids, this is where we go to make hopping for the 100 Islands.
Since 4:30 na, hindi na pwede cut-off na. So hanggang tingin na lang tayo. Ito yung 100 Islands. So you know, lighthouse. Oh, may lighthouse doon dyan.
Let's go, kids. There's a lot of people here. But first, we're going to buy my slippers and buy something else. We'll be back here. We'll always be back.
Hindi na kami magtatagal kasi na-cut off na rin and dito tayo maka-island hopping. So let's go to Bolinao. Sobrang init. Overload.
I want with this high.
Yung small lang ako. Small lang.
50 lang, sir.
Yung small 50 po.
Opo.
Ayun. I scramble sa 100 Islands. Salamat po. Wow. Yummy, yummy.
Yeah, yummy, yummy.
4:26.
Just go to the beach camp.
1 hour and 11 minutes dito sa Alaminos. 100 Islands sa Lucap Park. Punta tayo sa Bolinao, Pangasinan. Doon tayo matutulog. Doon tayo maghahanap ng camp for tonight. So, enjoy the view. Sobrang init. Surog na sugata kami lahat. Itim na.
But me not.
Sunog ka rin.
Hindi.
Sa mountain na malamig dito sa Kapatagan, sobrang init. As in talaga pa hindi ka na nag-i-enjoy. Gusto mo nang pumasok na lang sa sasakyan at mag-change na naman ng destination kasi sobrang init.
It's like you just want to swim right away.
Lately my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful.
Watermelon tayo, the home of the sweetest watermelon. Tingnan natin kung magkano. Magkano po ang kilo? 35 per kilo pa. Hindi, walang 25. So, maliliit na lang, okay po. Yung red lang. Yan, ganyan lang po. Oo. 25 per kilo. Yay! Ito yung sweetest.
Ang pinakamatamis talaga yung
Yellow.
yellow naman.
Yung?
Ayun niya, para ako hindi ko masasabi na watermelon yung kung hindi red.
We're here, morning waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put up a fight. I don't wanna trouble you, babe. But I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind. Can't go one more day without you. No, no, no. Lately there's something that's missing. Empty bed doesn't feel empty hearts. Typical me reminiscing. A memory doesn't heal open scars. Late night drinking, wishful thinking. What if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna.
Welcome to another campsite dito sa Bulinaw, Pangasinan. 7:33. Nakita ko lang to sa mapa kasi gusto ni Kari nang makapag-snorkeling siya. So, basta Marine Sanctuary yung area na to. So, naghanap ako ng na pwedeng matulugan. Hinanap ko lang siya sa Google Map. Basta yung may picture sa Google Map. So, nakita ko tong white sand. Tapos yun, pinuntahan na namin dito. Wala pa silang pangalan, pero nag-a-accept na sila ng overnight. Isa lang ata ang kubo nila pa, at saka CR. Para siyang cliff.
Parang mini cliff.
Mini cliff. Tapos, sa baba ay, ano na siya, dagat na. Sa mapa, nakalagay lang siya, batong bugtong. Kasi, meron siyang isang bato sa dagat na siya lang mag-isa. So, bukas makikita nyo yan. So, welcome to Bulinaw, Pangasinan. Ganito lang kami maghanap-hanap ng bahay. Nagtitingin sa Google Map, tapos walk-in. Wala kami idea kung magkano. So, dito sabi ni Kuya, nakausap namin yung caretaker mismo ng place. 150 is 10. 50 sa sasakyan. Tapos, 40 sa per head. So, yun, nakabad tayo. 240 pesos sa ticket. Sulit ba? Yun lang pabayaran. Libre ang bata. So, di ba? Sulit-sulit na tayo. Kahapon, 3 araw. 3 araw tayo nasa raw campsite na wala kang bayad. Wild camping. Another 5 billion stars tent accommodation for tonight.
And then we can stargazing. Yay!
Sobrang init talaga. Kasi parang sulog na mukha namin. You know, cliff na yan sa gilid. Bangin-bangin. Dito kami sa gitna.
I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I got to say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind. Can't go one more day without you.
Kids is really in it today, so I do the teething fund too. So this is my hotel today. 100 billion 100 stars. There's a lot, yeah. Can you count how many? We need to take a bath first because it's so hot.
Kilawing kambing. Ginawa kong sushi.
Overlooking city lights and starry night. Kutsara ka na? Yun na yung oo. So, dito, raw campsite siya. So, wala siyang tubig. Ang tubig niya ay tubig. Ano tay? Ano masasabi mo sa tubig? Naligo sila ni tatay.
Maalat kami. Amoy pupura.
Kasi bago pa lang sila. Actually, wala pa silang pangalan. So, kung nga hindi na ako naligo, sila tatay at Kali lang. Black rice.
si Ma.